अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद है आप सब लोग ठीक होंगे, खैरियत से होंगे। आज हम जो टॉपिक डिस्कस कर रहे हैं वो है सेलुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस इन आवर नेचर। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, वीडियोस को लाइक कर दें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें ताकि आपको हर आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन रिसीव हो। तो चलते हैं हम अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। सेलुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस। All the organisms have been divided into five major groups. Cellular organization means all organisms that are present in our world are organized in five kingdoms, five major groups. Okay, these names are prokaryotes, protists, fungi, plants, and animals. There are five major groups in which all animals or organisms of the world are included. All organisms are made of cells. We know that all body of all animals or organisms are made up of cells. Through cell division, new production are formed. There are two basic types of cells. There are two. The organisms in first group are made of prokaryotic cells, while all other group have eukaryotic cells. It means that the organisms that are first group are made up of prokaryotic, and second group is made up of eukaryotic cells. Okay, cell organize in three ways to make the bodies of organisms. अब सेल जो हैं वो हमारे ऑर्गेनाइज हुए हैं इन थ्री वेज. दे आर अरेंज्ड इन थ्री वेज टू मेक द बॉडीज ऑफ ऑल ऑर्गेनिजम्स. Cell make unicellular, clonicals and multicellular organizations. सेल्स जो हैं वो हमें बनाते हैं यूनिसेलुलर, clonicals and multicellular organization, and the organization formed through these organization are unicellular organism, clonical organisms and multicellular organism. अब जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सेलुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से बनी होगी तो उनको हम कह देंगे यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स, और जो ऑर्गेनिजम्स मल्टी सेलुलर से बने होंगे उनको हम मल्टी सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स, और जो क्लोनिकल से बनेंगे उनको हम क्लोनिकल ऑर्गेनिजम्स. इफ़ दे हैव यूनिसेलुलर, मल्टी सेलुलर, क्लोनिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, देन दे आर कॉल्ड मल्टी सेलुलर, unicellular and clonical respectively organisms. Next है in unicellular organisms only one cell make the life of an organism. Uni means one. Uni mean one. It means that they have only one cell and they are produced through only one cell. Only cell makes the life of an organism. All the life activities are carried out by the only one cell, and all the activities that perform in their life are carried out by this only cell. For example, the examples of unicellular organisms are amoeba, paramecium, euglena are common examples. Okay, आप देख सकते हैं कि ये हमारे पास एग्जांपल है लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की. बायोस्फीयर लेवल, कम्युनिटी लेवल, subatomic and atomic level, first one, फिर molecular level, then organelle level, then cell level, फिर tissue level, organ system level, then individual level, then population, community, and then biosphere level. Okay, from single cell, whole word are formed through single cell. Okay, through single cell, and then community grow, and the whole world are formed. Next है clonical type. The clonical type of cellular organization, many unicellular organisms live together but do not have any division of labor among them. It means and clonical are those that are जो है made by unicellular, but they have organism live together but don't have a division of labor, but they are not divided to make other. Each unicellular organism in a colony lives its own life and does not depend on the cells from its vital requirement. It means that the unicellular organisms live their life for own self and do not depend on the other cells. Volvox is a green alga found in water that show clonical organization. For example, Volvox. This is the example of Volvox. Volvox colony is a green alga found in the water that shows clonical organization. 100 of Volvox cells make a colony. It means that the number of cells are required to make colony. Volvox colony. In multicellular organizations, cells are organized in the form of tissues, organs, and organ system. It means that the multicellular organization, the organs are made up of multi-organisms, multi-tissues, and organ system. Frog and mustard are the familiar examples of multicellular organization. Further example of multicellular organization are mustard plant and the frog. Uh, mustard plant scientific नेम है इसका ब्रासिका कैंपेस्ट्रिस is sow in water is sown in water and it produces seeds at the end of winter. It lives in a water and then it produces seeds at the end of the winter. The plant body is used as vegetable and its seeds are used for extracting oil. It means that the body of plant is used as a vegetable and its seeds are used for extracting oil. The organs of the body can be divided into two groups on the basis of their function. Or the organs of this plant can be divided into two parts according to their function. Roots, stem, branches, and leaves are the vegetative organ which do not part in sexual production of the plant. Flowers are the reproductive part of the plant because they take part in the sexual reproduction and produce fruits and seeds. जो है part इसका है root, stem, and branches and leaves. They are used as a vegetables and they don't part in the production system. Then next one have flowers and reproductive part of the are the reproductive part of the plant that take part in sexual reproduction and produce fruits and seeds. Mustard plant. This is a mustard plant. This is examples of mustard plant. Then next one है frog. Frog scientific name Rana tigrina. Shows the multicellular organization. The body is made up of organ system and each organ system consists of related organs. Body system is made up of large organ system and organ system consists of the organs that perform functions. All the organs are made up of specific tissues: epithelial, glandular, muscular, and nervous, etc. It means that the most of the tissues are form of these organs are made up of these special tissues. Some organs and organ system for frog have been described in the practical activity given text. ओके नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास इसके और भी जो पार्ट्स वगैरह हम अक्सर बच्चों को प्रैक्टिकल के ड्यूरिंग प्रैक्टिकल समझाए जाते हैं उसके पार्ट्स उसको किस तरह से उसका हार्ट हर चीज़ उसका डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम रिस्पायरेटरी सिस्टम एवरीथिंग जो है वो हम प्रैक्टिकल में देख लेते हैं. तो ये था हमारा छोटा सा टॉपिक अबाउट सेलुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. किस तरह से हमारा जो है सेल का सिस्टम जो है वो ऑर्गेनाइज है, किस तरह से किस लेवल पे है और कहाँ से किस तरह से रिप्रोडक्शन होती है. तो ये थी हमारी वीडियो अबाउट सेलुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. मिलते हैं एक न्यू वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.